Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 3.2, Problem 13. This is Section 3.2, Problem 13. It says put the following decimals in order from smallest to largest. We have 8.2, 8.1049, and 8.02. So let's find the smallest one, write that first, and then, the next biggest. So to determine which one is smallest, what we want to do is start in the leftmost digit, make a comparison. If there's a tie, move one digit to the right. So as we start at the leftmost digit, all three numbers start with an 8. So I have a tie, so I'm going to move one digit to the right. So now I'm going to compare a 2, a 1, and a 0. Now those are different. So if 2, 1, and 0, and I'm looking for the smallest value, 0 is smaller than 1 or 2. And the 0 comes from 8.02. So that's the smallest value of the three that are given in the problem. So I'll write that first, 8.02. And now that I've determined where its order is relative to the others, I can just cross it off. I'm done with that. So now I want to see what's the smallest one after that. I'm going to compare 8.2 and 8.0149. And again, when I start with the 8, there's a tie, but when I move one digit to the right, I'm comparing a 2 and a 1. Well, 1 is clearly smaller than 2, and I want the smaller of the two to put them in order. So that came from 8.1049. That's next, and that means the largest one would be the last one left, 8.2. So now the numbers in order are 8.02 first, that's the smallest. The next biggest is 8.1049, and the largest of the three in the problem is 8.2.